Namaskar, welcome everyone to Yoga with Heena Vaze and I'm your instructor Neha. Today is day 7th of our practice. I want you all to quickly get on your mat so that we can begin. If you are new to the channel and you have found this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you can regularly follow my videos. Don't forget to share these videos to your friends and family so that they can also take maximum benefit out of it. Now quickly we will begin the session. Please place your mat and sit comfortably in Siddhasana on your mat. Place your hands on your thighs in Jnana Mudra, back gently straight and eyes closed. Breathe in, breathe out. Calm down. Leave all your thoughts aside. Settle down into the moment. Let's chant Omkar 3 times. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Open your eyes in your hands. Rub your palms on your face. Hands down and relax. Welcome back to the session. Now, today we are going to practice a sequence of asanas and we are going to repeat the same sequence at least 10 times. Okay. So try not to take a pause in between. 1 or 2 seconds of pause if you are really exhausted. Else try to complete the sequence entire 10 times. Now, let us all stand up on our places first. And how do we stand? Without taking any support. Now, come to the beginning of your mat. Place your feet together. Now, inhale. Hold the hands straight up. Gently bend back. Exhale. Hold the hands down. Go down. Place your hands on both the side of your leg. Take your right leg back. And take your left leg back. And we have to come in plank pose. And we'll hold here for 3, 2, 1. Now drop your knees down, chest and chin down. Slide forward in Bhujangasana. From here, lift up, come to inverted dog pose. Take your right leg in between your hands. Both the hands at the center. Stretch out, stretch back. Go to Anjane pose. From here, again, place both your hands down. Tuck your toes, lift. Go back to inverted dog. Now, walk forward, okay? Walk forward. Bend down, stretch down. Inhale, hold the hands up, bend back. Exhale, down. This is your one sequence. This same sequence we are going to repeat for 9 more times. Okay? Come on, let's continue. We'll not take a pause in between. Inhale, hold the hands up, bend back. Exhale, hold the hands down, go down. Both the hands on the side. Take your left leg back, right back, and hold in plank for 3, 2, 1. Now drop your knees down, chest and chin down. Slide forward in Bhujangasana. Now lift up in inverted dog. stretch. Take your left leg at the center, go to Anjali pose. Both the hands down, right leg forward, go down, stretch down. Both the hands straight up, bend down. Both the hands down. Round 3. Both the hands up, bend back. Both the hands down, stretch down. Right leg back, hold in plank. Make sure to make a proper plank. 3, 2, 1. Knees down, chest and chin down. Slide forward. Bhujangasana. Stretch up again, downward dog. Right leg in between your hands. Go to Anjali pose. Both the hands down. Left leg forward, bend down. Inhale, both the hands up, bend back. Exhale, come down. Round 4. Both the hands up, bend back. Both the hands down, go down. Take your left leg back, right back. Come in plank. And hold. 3, 2, 1. Now knees down, chest and chin down. Ashtangasana. And slide forward in Bhujangasana. Come back to downward dog. Left leg in between your hands. Go to Anjali pose. Stretch. Both the hands down. Take your right leg forward, bend down. Inhale, both the hands up, bend back. Exhale, hands down. Very nice. Even if your breathings have become heavier, it's okay. Unless and until you feel really exhausted, you take a pause for 5-10 seconds. Else, please continue, okay? Again, breathe in. Hands up, bend back. Breathe out. Hands down, go down. Again, right leg back, left back. Hold here for 3, 2, 1. Knees down, chest and chin down. Slide forward, Bhujangasana. Lift up, downward dog. Right leg center, Anjali pose. Both the hands down, bend down. Inhale, both the hands up, bend back. Slowly come down. Round 6. Inhale, go back. Exhale, go down. Left leg back, right back. Go to plank and hold. For 3, 2, 1. Knees down, chest and chin down. Slide forward. Bhujan. Upward dog, downward dog. Left leg center. Anjali pose with left. Both the hands down, bend down. Inhale, both the hands up, bend back. Exhale, down. Very nice. 4 more times. Inhale, up, bend back. Exhale, down. Go back to plank. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Knees down, chest and chin down. Slide forward, Bhujangasana. Lift up, downward dog. Right leg center. Both the hands up, arch your back. Hold the hands down. Bend down. Stretch down. Inhale. Hold the hands up. Bend back. Exhale. Hands down. Whenever you feel exhausted, inhale from your nose. Exhale from your mouth. And continue with round 8. Inhale. Hold the hands up. Exhale. Hold the hands down. Pull the legs back. Come to plank. And hold. 3, 2, 1. Knees down, chest and chin down. Slide forward. Jump. Lift up, downward dog. Left leg center. Anjali pose. Again, hold the hands down. Bend down, stretch down. Inhale, hold the hands up, bend back. Exhale, relax. 2 more to go. Come on, we all can do it. Now we all know the sequence also, so we'll try to increase the speed slightly. Okay? Inhale, both the hands up, bend back. Exhale, both the hands down, go down. Move back, incline, and hold. 3, 2, 1. Knees down, chest and chin down. Slide forward, Bhujangasana. Lift up, downward dog. Right leg center. Go to Anjali pose. Hold the hands down, bend down. Breathe in, blow the hands up, bend back. Hands down. And one last round. Inhale up. Exhale down. Move to plank. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Knees down, chest and chin down. Inhale, Bhujan. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, left leg center. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, hold the hands up, bend back. Exhale and relax. Relax yourself. Excellent. You did a great job. Just open your palms. Inhale and exhale a bit. Let your heartbeat and breathings relax a bit. Once you feel better, sit comfortably in a cross-leg position. Slowly place one hand on your chest, one hand on your belly. Inhale and exhale. Simply feel your breath. Relax. Calm down. Let's join our hands and chant one Omkar with 3 Shantis. Breathe in. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Open your eyes in your hands. Rub your palms on your face, on your body. Thank you. Thank you so much everyone for being with me, for practicing for a whole 10 minutes. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.